many thanks to Tony Smith, as I said, known as Taff to one and all. And interestingly, of course, his aircraft is registered G-Taff. Good Lord. Peter Brown, as I live and breathe. Sorry, an old friend of mine just walked across in front of me. Just getting airborne now, the North American Navion. Again, we'll be seeing him displaying later on after the two. Some people call it a North American Navion and some people call it a Ryan Navion, but it depends on which one you're talking about and when it was built. Very fast, very powerful, capable of 174 miles an hour. Single light coaming 435, producing 260 horsepower. They originally designed it at the end of the Second World War in order to take advantage of what they saw was going to be the boom in civil aviation. What they didn't realise was that civil aviation was going to be full. They were to build 2,634 of these aircraft. So it wasn't a complete disaster, but you have to temper that with the fact that between 1946 and 1947, North Americans built, and they were initially selling them below cost at $3,995 in order to be able to compete with the ex-military aircraft. They later increased that to just over $6,000. But here's the kicker, the actual cost of building one of these, and the National Guard as local and VIP transport aircraft. Now, North American gave up on it. A 4 or 5 seat cabin, depending on which version you got. Very long ranged, and again, very fast for a light aircraft. And nobody wanted to buy a new aircraft. From actually putting it back into production. But they've been saying that since 2013. So whether or not it ever happens, your guess is as good as mine. As I said, it's a far better handling aircraft than some of the other more modern light aircraft types.